Hey everybody, it's Mark here. I am the head of customer education here at ClickFunnels, and I was having a conversation today with Anna Akbari here. This is her website, sociologyofstyle.com. Make sure you check it out because we were on a ClickStart call together, and she asked me a question about how in ClickFunnels can you have a user unsubscribe from a specific list without having them unsubscribe completely from all of your emails. And so I had to think about it for a few seconds, and we came up with this solution. It's pretty awesome. So you have Anna to thank for this, and so what we're going to do here is I'm going to kind of show you a funnel map that I have drawn out here. And so this funnel map, let's go ahead and make this a little bit larger so that you see. This is our awesome product funnel. Okay, so we've got our opt-in page that goes to a sales page, to an order page for $97, and an upsell page for $297. So on the upsell page, they can say yes or they can say no. Either way, they're going to go to the thank you page, right? If they say no, though, we want to add them to a list, and then on that list, we're going to have that add them to an action funnel where we're going to send them through an email sequence, okay? And that email sequence is going to send them back to our upsell reorder page. So we set up a new order page. This should actually be $297 right here, so ignore that. Because it's actually going to be our upsell, but we have to create a new order page because we can't just send them back to our upsell page, right? So if we go back to the funnel here, you'll see that I have that kind of built out. I've got a squeeze page, I've got a sales page, order form, one upsell, order confirmation, even have a thank you page here. And then I've got my upsell reorder page, an order confirmation page. Then I've added these two pages. And I've called this first one an unsubscribe from list, and then this one's my unsubscribe from list. It's technically my thank you page. One's an opt-in, one's a thank you. And so first thing I need to do actually is I need to go into Actionetics. I need to make sure I have all my lists set up. So let me go ahead, and I'm going to have a list here. So this is going to be my upsell follow up list. Okay, so this is going to be the list for these people who don't purchase my upsell. So that's $297, right? I want to make sure that people are buying that. And so I'm going to do everything I can to send them emails and send them back so they can reorder right here. And so I'm going to send them to this upsell follow-up list, okay? And so what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to set up an action on my OTO upsell page. And I'm going to go to automations. I'm going to add a new action here. And I'm going to say this is add to list. And I'm going to need to put a delay because we want to give them a little bit of time to purchase. So I usually do like half an hour. So 0.5 hours. And then we're going to say saw page but didn't purchase. And we're going to say add to list. And then I'm going to choose my upsell follow-up list. Okay? Create funnel action. So now let's just say that everyone is they're receiving these emails, but after 2 or 3 emails they get sick of getting these emails from me, and they don't want to receive them anymore. But I don't want them to be completely removed from my list. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my email. So let's just go into an action funnel here. It's a demo action funnel, and I got an email here. So I'm gonna use this email as an example. And so let's just say, in this email, I'm going to put like an unsubscribe link at the top here. I'm going to use this text block. And I'm going to say, if you no longer wish to receive emails regarding my awesome upsell offer, please click here to be removed from this list. So you can word that however you like. I'm going to put a little bit of margin there just to space out that image. And so this is going to be, where they can kind of opt out. And you can put this at the bottom. You can put it at the top. At the very bottom, you are going to have that unsubscribe link that gets added in your footer settings. And so you can add this at the top here. You can even make this, a little bit smaller. Let's just make it like 10px. done. I'm gonna make this italic, and so now what do I have them click, right? So I'm gonna go back here to my funnel, and what I'm gonna do is go to my unsubscribe from list page. So this isn't gonna unsubscribe them from my entire Actionetics emails, all my email sequence. I can still send them emails, okay? And you'll notice I'm using this opt-in page. Doesn't matter because they're never going to see this page. What they're going to see actually is this thank you page. And I'll show you, this is my sorry to see you go page. And so we're sorry to see you go. Check out these other offers we have. You can have some upsells to Amazon products or whatever you want to cross-sell them on. And so that's the page that they are going to see. So on this first opt-in page you have here, what you're going to do is you're going to create an automation, and we're going to say add new action, and this is going to be remove from list. And we're going to select remove from list, and I'm going to choose my upsell follow-up list, create funnel action, and then I'm going to go to my publishing settings, and I'm going to get the click opt-in link. And right here, this is exactly what I need for Actionetics. I'm going to copy this whole link, go back to my email. That's not my email. This is my email. And I'm going to select the text that I want to be hyperlinked. Click the little link icon there. And I'm going to paste that in as my link. It has the merge tag for their email. So now I'm going to save that page. So now when somebody gets this email, this link is going to be automatically populated with their email address. And so what that's going to look like, if somebody goes to this page, you'll see I'm going to put in the URL, and it's going to take me automatically to the thank you page. It skips over that first opt-in page, but it's going to trigger any automations that I have set up on this opt-in page. So I've removed them from, where'd that go? Right there. I've removed them from this follow-up action list without removing them from all my emails altogether. So just wanted to share that with you. Once again, you have Anna to thank for that. And so if you see Anna, give her a high five and say thanks. And let us know at support@email.com if you have any questions. Take care.